Good morning, everyone! Welcome to another episode of GH Knows. This is Anna at ating sasagutin ng mga katanungan tungkol sa death care services. Millennials tend to be hands-on investors. We grew up at a time wherein resources and tools are freely accessible, making us search for answers agad-agad. We conduct research and analysis to make sure that we're making the right investment decision. And for this episode, we are going to answer what are the most suited investment for millennials. Number 1, insurance. Insurance is a contract in which an individual receives a financial protection or reimbursement against losses. It makes us prepared for potential problems like self-injury, property damage, health, or other losses. So, if something happens to you in the future, insured ka na wala ka nang babayaran sa naging expenses mo. Number 2, stocks or cryptocurrency. The stock market has been around ever since, pero kaunti lamang sa ating generation ang nag-i-invest dito. Buying a stock of a company is becoming somehow an owner of the company, while ang cryptocurrency naman ay digital assets that you can use to buy online. It has made many millionaire investors over the years. Both of them actually depend on supply and demand, particularly ang cryptocurrency na volatile ang presyo. Higher risk but high return. Number 3, mutual fund. This is considered to be more conservative than stock market. Ito naman ay may project money manager na nagkakollect ng money from the investors to fund the stock market, bond agreement, and other types of investment. Ang income and losses naman dito ay divided among the investors. Number 4, condominium. Ito naman ay isa sa mga pinakasikat na investment sa ating mga millennials ngayon. This is when you obtain a condo to lease out, manage, or sell later to gain income. Continuous cash flow, lower risk, while enjoying your unit and amenities are some of the reasons why maraming millennials ang in dito ngayon. Number 5, memorial lots. Millennials call memorial lots the newest trend in real estate. Aside from the fact that memorial investment is affordable, it yields a high ROI of at least 20% yearly. Malaking appreciation in such a short period of time. Transferable rin ito at madaling ibenta since lahat tayo ay kakailanganin ito in the future. Nothing beats the security of having the investment that could be useful for you or your family's need in the future. And that's it for this episode of GH Knows. Kung may katanungan pa kayo tungkol sa death care services, i-comment nyo lang yan sa ating comment section and we will try to answer it into our next episode. To know more about investment options, you may visit our website www.goldenhaven.com.ph or follow us to our social media accounts. See you in the next episode of GH Knows.